Hi everyone, it's Diana at Catherine Diana Studios, and I am going to quickly film something because I'm winging it, and I thought there might be other people winging it too. And the reason I'm winging it is because I've been working in my studio and I can't access some of my tools. I've moved some furniture around and boxes around to reorganize, and I have a friend's birthday coming up this weekend and I just didn't know what to do for her birthday, so I'm making her a journal and a loaded pocket, and I'm going to put in a gift card and some skincare and stuff like that. So I've never made anything quite like this before, and my scoreboard is way over here, everything is over here, and this is the only cutter I had. So here's what I'm doing. This is the beginning of the pocket here. It's just some nice paper folded over, and I was thinking I wanted to put this journal, and I haven't quite finished it yet. It's not bound, and I'll do a video on it. You know, inside like the pocket, maybe, you know, behind, and in here, I'm going to do something here so it's more noticeable. But maybe something, this would be where the skincare and things would go, you know, those little travel type packets that are flat, and it's you know, exfoliants and things like that. I thought I'd put something like that in, and maybe a candy bar or something like that. And I might put a strip across here to pull this in with that, where you can see some of that. I don't know, but anyway, I did this without a score thing, and you can tell because look at how wonky it is. But I'm hoping this is all coming up on the camera. So far, I managed to get this okay, and how I scored it was, I just kind of by hand did it with one of my calligraphy, whatchamacallums, the nibs go in here, anyway, pen things that I've had since I was about 13 years old. So, goodness, almost 50 years. So, pretty close to it anyway. So I just did it like that, and what I was thinking I would do, maybe I can get this over here, is figure out how this is going to go on here, and I'm making it a bigger pocket, how this can expand a little bit, so that this will fit inside. I don't know, man. So it's pretty good. I think I can do it once I get the glue on and everything. So what I'm going to do is, wait a second, I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. And I got to hurry up because I'm going to run out of juice on my phone too. This needs to be a little bit higher. I think that would be okay. And by the time I have other little goodies stuck inside, and I'll do like some little cupcake liner, you know, the little, on the stick, one little, you know, goodies on them, and make it look all festive. So, and I'm just going to cut those pieces off there because don't need to see them, don't need them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try and score this, and I'm just going to use this Tim Holtz packaging. I think, actually no, I've got a ruler here, so I'm going to make this just a little bit longer. This isn't exactly straight, but that's okay. I want this to be a little, I need more space here. That's just not enough. So let's get this guy. I've got a couple of them, and let's get this and just do a couple of marks. And it works pretty good, so you don't have to have a scoreboard or anything like that. If you don't have one, there's all kinds of little things you can do that will work just fine. All right, so we've got that. So what I need to do now is cut at this new line here. Ugh, this makes me nervous doing this kind of stuff when I don't know what I'm doing. Or at least I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. It always turns out, you know what I mean? There's so many ways to fix the mistakes and goobers and whatnot. All right, I can see that that's not very straight, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of that off. And that one's kind of bulging there a little bit, a little wonky, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now, oh yeah, I'm gonna have problems with that, aren't I? Yes, I am. So let's do cuts like this. I hope you can see this. I'm not looking in the camera to see. I bet you're not. I don't know. You see how I cut it in an angle so that I could make my pocket like that. So all I need to do is figure out about where this is going to go. So let's do that really quick like. Because I'm going to cut that other piece off. I'm going to put some lace or something down on the bottom of this because this paper is thick and that's good. It's not crazy thick, but it's thick enough. And I need to mark that. I guess right about at the end of that'll work. And it's splitting. You know how it gets, you lose the pattern of the paper, you know, so like that. So I don't want to see that. Oops. I didn't quite figure it out on the other side. Well, we'll just go like about there. I don't know. See, and everybody thinks that those of us who make journals all day long, and or a lot, I should say, are like, this is all wonky. Like we don't wing it, you know. We have this precise system and whatnot. This one is a little bit lower, so I gotta go down a little more. We don't. A lot of times. Some things, yes. A lot of things, no. That looks pretty darn close to even. Alright. I'll put that one that way and like that. Alright, here we go. Where's my glue? Just got some... Oh, gosh. These things are always so hard to pull off. Oh, mercy. Hope this works. Oops. And if it's not quite even or whatever, I'll just, you know, do a decorative edge or something. You know what? I'm going to try it this way. My hands are going to get dirty. I just really no way around it. Yikes. I just feel like this is off. It looks like it's off. It feels like it's off. But by the time I put some lace or something on that side, nobody's gonna know. Except us. So that ain't so bad. And I can do washi tape. There's so many different things, you know, that you can hide your little errors. I can also just cut the, well, I don't really want to cut the paper because it's got that little pocket edge there. This poor thing's getting so dirty. Okay, so there's that. Now, I have not, I was going to hand sew this edge, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to just close this pocket up right now. Since I've got glue going, I might as well. Come on. She's a gardener, like I am, my friend who's having a birthday, and so, now see, I can trim this edge a little bit. So, adding all these garden theme goodies and flowers and whatnot, boy, that is just way wonky. That's alright. You know, like I said, by the time you put, you know, like this, you'll never see it, even though there's nothing wrong with this edge. By the time you put the little goodies on and stuff, you know, no one ever notices anything. So, all right, so well, glue's not really quite dry, but see what I mean? I just wanted a little more room, and hopefully, I really shouldn't push this with the glue not dry. That's good. And this will have a little more detail on the top so you'll be able to see it. Oh, yay. Okay, so it did work. Whew. Mercy. All right, so I'll ink the edges along here, and then I'll come up with something along this side and make it all pretty. But anyway, just wanted to show you, A, you can wing it, and B, it'll turn out okay. And just adding that little edge there helps give a little pocket. Make a little pocket, I should say. I didn't put any, no, yeah, it's all right. So I'm gonna, you know, ink up the edges and stuff, and then I'm gonna do an official video when this is all done, but just wanted to do a quick video showing that you can do stuff like this, and it turns out all right. So anyway, hope you all having a great day and a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.